Hi everyone, Marcy here from My Pretty Posh Princess, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool beaded pen. So the first thing that you're going to need is a selection of beads. I chose our Trolls themed beads off of the website in 12mm. You can use any size, and you can use acrylic, you can use silicone, or you can use both. For this tutorial, I'm going to use one of the silver pens, although we do have these pens available in 10 different colors: red, royal blue, black, silver, gold, lavender, mint, pink, green, and orange. So the first thing that you do is lay out the beads the way that you want. You can move them around and try out different patterns. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of these rhinestone wave spacers, but you don't have to do that. And then once you figure out how you want the beads on there, you thread them on like you would any other beaded project. Once you have the beads on there, the way that you like them, you simply just twist it right back on. The cool thing about these are that you can redo them, so you can take them apart and change it up, or you can keep it the same. These pens write in a black ink, and they just click on and off. These are really, really fun ideas for craft parties. It would also be a super, super cute gift idea. Don't forget, you can find everything you need, including these small bead boards, at myprettyposhprincess.com.